Today I want to show you something, guys. Come with me. That's the generator I'm using. Everything's gonna be in the description below. That's the mark and model. Let's start the generator. Pretty easy, right? Hook the electricity cord. Let's go and see how it's inside. Once I'm inside, I'm gonna show you how actually it works. I have a small thermometer with me. It starts right away the cold air to get out of the AC. Okay, here we go. Sorry. It's pretty hot outside. It's 80-85 degrees and the truck wasn't working. Right now it's gonna go down probably to 55-60. It's really cold and really quiet. It's getting pretty quick down. Not more than a minute we are here. Let me show you one more thing. Pressing the button over here, gonna go to eco mode, which is super quiet. The AC unit I bought it from Walmart. It cost me $150. It's just a regular unit. And the inverter generator also I bought it purchased from Walmart. It's around $380-400. So altogether it's $600 plus the installation. I made the installation by myself. It's like 2 to 3 hours. And then honest with you guys, you can save between $7,000, $8,000 and $9,000 per year, and especially the trucks with the DPF systems, it's a big plus. It's not working during the night. It's even not working during my deliveries and pickups, which sometimes takes more than an hour. So I think it's a great investment for future drivers, and actually not only future drivers, for all of you who travel south like me. I'm most of the time in Florida, Arizona, Texas. Also I live nearby the Texas border, which still, you know, there's the winter, it's not coming quickly as in North States. So for me that's one of the best decisions I ever made. And now I want to show you my first choice, which I made 2 years ago with my other truck. Come over. That's one of the most fancy AC units and heaters. It's EcoFlow Delta 2, which cost me almost $2,000. On sale I took it for 1300, and plus extra batteries. Let me show you the batteries. I have 2 extra batteries. Each it's $300. So plus the cell and plus the batteries, it cost me $2,000. So what about this one? That one works. It's pretty convenient. It works on battery. The battery, it can hold more than 8 hours, 8 to 12 hours, depends on the mode you have the AC unit. It works on solar panels, which I don't have, of course, and it works on my electrical converter. There's no problem at all. During the the drive, I charge them. It took me hour and a half for a full charge of the battery. And also you need to, yeah, that's that's a little bit different from the other unit. You need to install that kind of part on one of your windows. Doesn't matter, it's your passenger side or your drive side, because we have, I mean, I thought in the beginning it's just gonna be a unit, but no. Those parts coming with my AC unit, and one goes out with the hot air and the other one goes in with the cold air. Right now I'm gonna show you how actually it works. Once I connect all my hoses to my AC unit, this is how actually it works. Everything, of course, there is a manual option, but also everything is by the EcoFlow application. You should have application on your phone, iPad, computer, and you can do anything by the application, which is pretty convenient. Yeah, it's pretty easy. I have it right now on 70 degrees Fahrenheit manual. So I mean on stage 1. You have 3 stages. It's pretty powerful, and if you want to manage to have other options like sleep or eco mode, it's gonna last, I mean the battery is gonna last forever. I mean eco mode and sleep mode, the battery, it keeps me more than 12 to 13 to 15 hours. Of course, depends of the temperature outside. When the temperature outside it's more than 95 to 105 degrees, it takes a little bit quicker for the batteries to drain off. I think that's a pretty fancy option, not bad at all. It depends how you want to spend your money, of course, and it's quiet, it's convenient, it works on battery, it's completely green. And right now the question is about you, how much you want to spend, and both choices are pretty pretty quiet. And I don't know, it's about you, about the units. I really like this one. I can use it at my home, I can use it in my RV, or if you're going and like camp sites like tents, you can use it in your tent. And it's not only an AC unit, it's a heater as well. So the choice is all yours, guys. Thanks for watching.